Hello friends, if you're new here, my name is Jacqueline Doherty and today we're going to be doing a ballet point bar class combination. We're going to be doing plie releves in 3 positions, which is first, second, and fifth position. We're just going to do a tendu changeover when we go over to the other side. But we're not going to be springing up, we're going to be rolling through. So there's going to be a difference. So you're going to take a plie, 2, 3, 4, roll up, and then you're going to go plie, roll down 2. So it's going to take 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. You're just gonna do 3 in first, then you're gonna go to second, same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4, up, 2, 3, 4, down, 2, 3, 4. 3 in this position, 2 in second, close in fifth. You're not gonna go into your sous-sus. Right now, we're just getting aware of our point shoes, so all you're just gonna do is roll up and then roll down. Try not to tilt in, because if you tilt in, it's going to be harder. So try to keep that foot, like memorize where that heel should be connected to that floor the whole entire time in all your positions, because even your first shouldn't start creeping. It should kind of just stay right there. Then you're going to do 3, tendu. The other foot's going to be now in front. We're going to do the same thing, up, plie, roll down, and then we're just going to tendu in first to finish. Ready? 5, 6, and we go. For more information, please visit jacquelinedoherty.com. Much love.